In this video, I'll guide you through how to copy a Surveymonkey survey. Whether you're looking to reuse a successful survey for a new audience or simply want to make minor adjustments to an existing one, this process will make it easy for you. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to surveymonkey.com. This is the main hub for all your survey activities, and by logging in, you can access all the surveys you've created or have permission to view. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials associated with your SurveyMonkey account to access your surveys seamlessly. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the All Surveys option. You'll typically find this in the menu, usually on the left side of the dashboard. Clicking on All Surveys will bring up a list of all the surveys linked to your account. This comprehensive view allows you to manage and organize your surveys effectively. Now, scroll through your list of surveys to find the one you wish to copy. Once you've located it, you should see three dots, often referred to as the More Options or Action menu, next to the survey title. Clicking on these three dots is a crucial step because it opens up a drop-down menu with several options related to the survey. From the drop-down menu, look for and select the Make a Copy option. By doing this, SurveyMonkey will create an exact replica of the original survey, which you can then modify or use as needed. This feature is particularly useful if you want to preserve the original survey structure while making changes to suit new requirements or audiences. And that's it. You've successfully copied your survey on SurveyMonkey. Remember, once you've made a copy, you can edit the new survey to tailor it to your current needs without affecting the original. This ability to duplicate surveys not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency across different survey deployments. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes your survey creation process more efficient. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.